How to fix Play Store app not installed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store app not installed on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find apps. Here click on it and then click apps, and now go to Google Play Store, and now all you need to do, just click force stop and go to storage and click clear cache, and then restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now just go to settings and then go to storage and then click clean up, and then just click clean junk files. Here click on it and clear cache, your phone cache. Click on it, click delete, and that's it. Go back and then just try again, and now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.